Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Abusia me chacho bibia. Abusia, I'm beginning to be disappointed. Say me Asante. Truth be told, na NDC as a political party, they should bow down their head in shame. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, first gentleman of the land, because one day no musu no mobile mo ye nyina kire say they are escalating something mo can be kire ya Asante for. Abusia maka de wo ma kire mo. This, like I was saying, NDC we are Asante. It's time say what say who say NDC for no. Minim, especially the first gentleman of the land. Ne ne ya wo ye me hu ni ye. Nti Ghana ha nyina ye nyansafo. Amo me elder of Council of State se Kwasiapanin Sumahene. Na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kwasia we o fa ne se onne metu Ghana banfo. Na futu papa be na jimifo we betimi di amamo. Ene esen ka mokọ e bia Western region, mokọ Northern region, mo ba Asante region, but them ni bi na mokọ no mafa no. Na mo de na kan ho because but them ni and what's our other regions, Greater Accra ni amanfo no. It's much wiser. Way wiser our own anti free has ya Australia and move wapan and China. San or munyansa ne dia mumu ne se we or hene ne nyansa tie. Said ye o akwa kwasia no saa no benyini be panyin kwasia nti suma hene timi atena ho anhini abaye jimi kwasia because of politics. Matimi afre we say o be dey Council of State na jimi fo we assemble na this is the reason why ti Ghana nko nanim no. Enyansa fo ho na kwasia fo tete aponko so. Suma hene timi ye Council of State e council president and governance to which send nipa enyansa ba akokora ni nitirim. Obi a watena akonwa so over 25 years of its throne. Kota tadro ko hu bi da. Jimi fo say na bai na ababusa say NDC aba power say MPP aba power say. Ajima bedu na odi na ye backing dog na odi na chi no. Ne hene na odi na chi no kura nim nyansa. Eviase afena ni obi am say ajima bedu nim nyansa. Said by Twini Jonas on the council the Twini Jonas be ka bia no kure. Twini Jonas came out and said ne bia na wo ye no. Onim nyansa. Na wo master wodi na chi enim nyansa. How much more say wo wakora no. Na ni frafo mienu extend yon kuni frɛ ni kwan anya amrem no mbeto. Wo master na wodi na chi no. Ghana ha nyina obi anim say oye ohene a wonim nyansa. How much more wo na motimi Ghana ban. Etimi fa Kwasiapanin we so be Council of State. And like I was saying, me generally I'm very disappointed in NDC government. For me, Oya Asante, you should be very disappointed. Obia I will way of choosing it political party, fair enough. Oya Asante or NDC, fair enough. But to wait say you will choose your a political party than your tribe there. Na me hu nipa wo ye, sebi. Me hu nipa wo say nipa kro no ye. Se Miss Redman Rollins to meet every NDC, obi ani kunu na founder of NDC, akote ni party NDP a. Na Alan Cash. Kufo grant interview na nsia we delay. O se ne nana when NDC o ye adwuma ma e wo Flash Star House. So this clearly says a political party a choice, but your tribe can never be changed. Maybe tia me Asante can never be Sesala ni or Dagombe ni. And to say will be na so on also choose political party than the tribe there. That person who adwina e da wotrim. And because of so NDC ni na sem kwase asem bi e obi jimi wa NDC ma because me NDC ni so I should be mute. The first gentleman of the land ye nyina no me hu ni ye and ye nana me nana otumfo say tutu nana nkwaso en po eboni dia ne aboyemu nana nyankwada e na me bom pa say me da bia keep on saying no one should inherit someone enemy. For that say obi time for inheriting me dintum. No one should inherit someone enemy. But enche bia asam wo court sampa asam wo court e no call bono first president e call bono o call ye no mko fa Jimmy Force Farouk e bae e ye kire na asam e wo call to president Bojo ase Nancy on sa call bono Farouk say gina ho o se pe Council of State Jimmy Force we Sumahene no akwa akofa ne so metu abanfo na we dey na mbeyama wo ye Ghana ni a enya mfa politics to nchen na fa tribe issue to nchen na we asem no na hwe Jimifo a yakofa nso metu abanfo no ma we be da ekoyi o my Ghana be da akoyi obie na no a wo ye wo hene obie wa no a tribal war enti mumu sa say ade ebunofo no mo ye mema chen asantefo ana Obi a do so chen mo musa mo ho. Other tribe na mo say Asante for tribalism. Just ask yourself this simple question. Omo ye mema chen na omo do so chen ana. Say ye wura so me lamplight, nyese oye o hina oye for peace. Abokon tokompo entokwa emfa no ho on na esiesie because of so amama Asanteman. No Obama Ghana nyina. Na kono so nyese nyame ne nyansa se de agimifo eti bono ene president yi aka bom no oye ade national security force o mu hui. No so kasa. E de besi Ghana ase. And who told you say Asante for your ma? Mumu Ghana records and one for na akwa. Ye kwa akwa mo oba nyina kwa akwa. As to say we will be defeated or we win, Asante. Mumu sa mo sa hwan mo na akwa akwa cha Asante for. Na nsu ya benya asundwe hene. Eye kotoko hene wa ye din. Ghana mpanifo nyina. My din and Kwasiafo ete bono for the past 4 years. So mu jimi sa. Peace Council for hwan. Fire burn you all. National security. You want a fancy comedy quiet life. Say why Muhammad mu president mu say any say. Nobody go to police station to report. Mu trace you on bechi mu Jimmy for waiting birthday. At the end of my birthday 25th anniversary. If Asante sem ho be. E ho na abeka records abe incite ni pa say there be a mu see ntimi mekumase me bekumase because of Asante people were peace. Pole kwa cancer team in relegation. Pole ba bono. You killed him. Mukumpole. Asante for a dintino. More test here, what test, right? I'm very disappointed because national security. A NDC abina was NDC now point to him. That's the reason why I'm saying I'm very disappointed in NDC party. Kwasiapanin needs to be called. Sumahine needs to be called. Now Sumdreba Ghana. Somebody Musama a D because of politics into Bianca Kwasiasama. More the black marine and I did chama to me akwakotum. Black marine is meant for criminals. Yes, I am say politics. Black marine is meant for criminals. I'm so yeah Asante now we NDC nia. Now so be choose NDC party eja wa tribe. Minim nyansa eda wutirim. Aboa kra wo nyansa chen. It's good to be in political party by reason. Reason. Jimmy Sambano no. And never who yana moye threaten people for no reason. By near a cause of chaos or marry. You've kept quiet on it. It's a financial security for nam kwache fancy comedy na mo what up is mo e Jimmy for ne kasa monte what me afa Jimmy for we say or a council of state into a blindful mo ko fa modem ni other regions no metu mo for e because bodem ni kwani nyansa chen we ye se ba ire ni tinya asa na ne fronye asa so na tinya. This clearly show o man Ghana for you abusuafo me de me show be a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Me machade no so mom famra na meje. O call me page your number ne da o. Mom famra meje. Ye di bronya na me bona afunu man to man na reka me ntwadwan a e bia me koje for life. Na ye bompa say yura. No obey.
Yeah, Ghana for Obi Kanche President Mahama Ken Ofori-Atta. He's never afraid to come to Ghana. Somebody should tell President Mahama and his corrupt NDC government. Ken Ofori-Atta was brought up from a very decent and a noble home. He came from a royal family. He went to very good school. And he's established one of the most profitable financial organizations in the whole of Africa. Data Bank, go and check their record. Ken Ofori-Atta is a self-made nobleman. He owns funeral homes. He owns insurance companies, even before coming into government. He's not a politician. Ken Ofori-Atta was brought up properly from a Christian home. So he has never misappropriated a dime of the taxpayers' money. He's not afraid to come to Ghana. But until your government, your useless government and your stupid security agencies learn to respect the rights and the dignity of ordinary citizens, until your useless judges are able to explain and tell Ghanaians, say everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Now, Oman said to me Jani ammunitions and cocaine feel whilst is away, whilst his little children are there. Soldiers and useless security agencies bundle guns around, ransack his home, and you expect him to come to Ghana, a useless government and running a useless country, because as software you doing. Civil society organizations are calm because all of them have been corrupted. So you don't know Even judges and Kete say Mutimi making sure say people are treated well. Edubuahin and his wife were accosted at the airport, bundled like criminals. When no charges had been preferred against them, they were kept more than a month by useless security agencies who don't know. Say everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty. What did you do to Woon to me? Your useless Attorney General is finding it difficult to prefer any charge against Woon to me. After disgracing Edubuahin and his wife, today, Attorney General is changing his mouth when he said that, oh, Edubuahin has stolen $7 million. He bought this, he bought that, he bought that. Now he's saying that even if he's able to prove that Edubuahin stole once he has done. Look at such a shameless Attorney General. Ken Ofori-Atta comes from a decent home. He's lived a very decent life. He was brought up properly. So he will not misappropriate any state's funds. It was under the policies of Ken Ofori-Atta that Nana Akufo-Addo was able to run the free SHS very successfully to make Ghana's education the second best in the whole of Africa. Look at the way our children are feeling. Such a useless, directionless government. After all the noise you made about Wontumi, you can't establish anything against him. Your useless officials, NDC criminal officials, misappropriated 5.7 billion and 57 trillion of the taxpayers' money. Your Attorney General came to cancel it. Said Inam Tamekula, a shameless NDC woman, connived with NDC officials, stole 900 billion of the taxpayers' money. She is in abroad. Your useless Yoko people cannot bring her down to face prosecution after 1 year. Mukoye Dedi about Cecilia Dapa, what happened? You couldn't prefer any charge against Cecilia Dapa. The case has become useless. And there Osasibe, he's still languishing in jail because 800 million Ghana cedi bail condition placed on him when no charge. He has not been found guilty of any crime. How can judges live in this country and behave like NDC branch executives rather than adjudicators of the law? Now, you expect Ken Ofori-Atta to come. Ken has not prepared. At the end of the day, it is you who are accusing him. So make up a case. Today, your Attorney General says that before they will be able to bring him down, they need to prefer solid case. You don't have a solid case, yet you call him a fugitive. Such a useless, disgraceful government. Ken Ofori-Atta on issue doubt check to some man paying binuan. Ken Ofori-Atta on evade taxes to some man paying binuan combat me akọ jail. On to say MPs be amuji double salary and kete so omu ko jail. So Nana Akufo-Addo kaze ye momu.